Check out this sexy car, guys. Beautiful day. He just had it painted plum purple. Really nice, sexy car. Look at that. Infiniti G35, 4-door. We have it on the channel earlier in the year, and he's fixing it up more and more, man. It looks so good. I love it. Let me let you guys see what we got done on it this time. So it's got 2 high flow converters right there, and right there we just put them on. Then we ran 2 1/4 pipe, True Flow X pipe. There'll be a link for the converters if we can get them. There and there. There'll be a link for the X pipe, a True Flow X pipe. Then what we had ran on it before, he fixed it all up, the paint job and stuff. We put 2 FLOWMASTER Flow FXs, then 2 1/4 pipe out the back on each side there and there, into some Natami 4-inch blue flame tips to complete the look. There'll be a link in the description for them also. So that's a complete system right there. Look at that. Really nice, really clean, guys. I love it. I'm gonna let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And this was the middle setup that was on it that we cut off. All the way from there back. That's the whole setup we took off and the cats. All right. So you guys gotta admit it looks a lot better now. Infiniti. Look at those sexy tail lights, custom. Ah, so much better. See, it's better to put high flow cats than straight pipe. That sounds so much better. Here's sound decibels. Again. 107. It's really clean. I like the wing on the new. It's resonating. I like it. Got a nice stance to it. Really clean. He outdid himself on this one. Yeah. Let you guys hear it on the inside.